Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Bob here. Really appreciate you stopping by. So just a quick one today. Today I want to share with you a brand new contributor to the watch modding community. The company's made up of 5 individuals, 5 watch enthusiasts, and they've come together to form Cinco Mentes Horology. Their first project is the Firefly Watchworks fully loomed dial. They've sent out 2 of their dials, one uninstalled, one installed on the SNK 809, and it looks really good. So let's switch things up and take a look at the dials. All right, so first of all, you might be wondering why the world timer is in frame here, but my contact with the company is a friend of mine. I met Fernando through Instagram quite some time ago. We chat watches all the time. He's really into modding watches, but also sent out this really nice custom leather strap. I'm going to focus more on the dial today, but if you're looking for custom straps or even watch modding services, I'll link his Instagram below. So the watch they lent into the channel is the SNK 809. It's fully kitted out with the dial upgrade as well as a handset from Offray. The crystal is a double domed sapphire crystal with an AR, and there is quite the dome to this crystal, so excuse the reflections with the studio lighting. They've added a solid case back for a more utilitarian look and also upgraded the movement to the NH36. It's just an example to showcase the dial, but it's nice to see it with all the extras too. I've only personally dabbled in watch mods, but this definitely gives me some inspiration to play around with it a little bit more. The dial itself is very legible with the large numerals at the 3, 6, 9, and 12, and the smaller minute markings at every 5 minutes. I like the little pop of red on the minute track and the logo at the 12, which reads C1 for the lume that they're using. The logo in black is using 2 Fs for Firefly and takes inspiration from the classic broad arrow military logo. So it looks cool, but this dial is all about the lume and they've done really well with it. Solid application compared to a lot of other loomed dials I've seen. So definitely no issues when it comes to legibility in low light. Here's a quick look on wrist, and one thing they've done is added extra feet to the bottom of the dial, and depending on if you're modding a Seiko with the crown at 3 or 4, you remove 2 feet and leave the 2 that work for your particular watch. The dial is 28.5 millimeters in diameter. If you're not certain it'll fit your watch, the best way to reach them is directly through their Instagram. I'll leave a link below and you can order them there as well. The cost is $29 plus shipping, and if you're not comfortable doing the dial swap, they can help with that too. So pretty cool for their first offering, and look forward to what they come out with next. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. I really appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.